Hey Divas, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I decided to do my hair on camera. When I started doing my hair, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just knew I wanted to do some type of updo. This is kind of like a signature throwback because I used to wear my hair in a lot of updos with Kanekalon hair, and so that is what I'm giving you guys today. So if you are interested in this style here, definitely keep on watching. To start off this hairstyle, I decided to section my hair off into 3 sections. I have the first one on the side, the second one in the front, on the other side, and then I also have the high ponytail in the back. I ended up changing my mind on the placement of the section on the side. I wanted to have a more deeper part, so you will see me correct that later down the line. Feel free to section off your hair with ouchless bands or clips. I am going to use some rubber bands since that is what I had available at the moment. Now that I have the first 2 sections out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and form my high ponytail in the back. I want to bring it as high as possible because I do want it a little bit close to the front sections. To help tame my hair, since it is freshly washed and blow dried, it's very airy, I'm going to go ahead and use this Cantu mousse. It's called the Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse, and I'm just going to use that to apply that to the back part of my hair, and I can use that to basically set my hair into a ponytail. Once I have my hair positioned to where I want my ponytail to be, I'm going to use these ouchless bands to form my ponytail. Then I'm going to brush and try to make it as sleek as possible. And this is the part where I said I wanted to make my part a little bit deeper on the side, so I just went back in and made a deeper part, and I'm going to go ahead and start my braid. I did use Shine and Jam, which is a hair product for your edges, and I added that to my hair before I began braiding. Now, I'm not the best at braiding, but what I wanted to do was just basically do a big braid, and I wanted it more concentrated towards the front portion of my hair, so kind of push it forward and then wrap it around. So I decided to do one big braid, and then from there I was able to just pull the braid apart, kind of loosen it up and give it more volume. So that is what I'm doing next. Once I have the braid as big as I like, I am going to take the other section of hair and brush it up into my ponytail. And I took my ponytail down so that I can, kind of make it look a little bit better, clean it up, and add some more gel and product just to make it more smooth. For those of you who don't want to wear any Kanekalon hair or any additional hair, this is definitely cute with a nice little bun with your own hair as well. For this style, I am going to wear this model Kanekalon hair, and I'm going to attach this to my ponytail using the rubber band that it came with. This part is super easy. Once I have my ponytail secured, I'm just going to take all of my hair and add it to one braid. Try to get all of your hair in the braid. It looks like I had some straggly pieces, which I will actually fix in a few. Once you are finished braiding the hair, go ahead and add a rubber band to secure. And from here, I'm going to do just the same as I did before. I'm going to take the braid and kind of separate it and make it more big, more voluminous, more fluffy. And this will help with matching the size of braid with the front braid at the front portion of my head. And from here, I'm just going to play with the placement of the braid and try to figure out how I want it laid. I did have a style in mind, but unfortunately I just couldn't convey it, so I decided to switch it up and just do a cute little updo, add bobby pins to secure it, and just, shape it how I like. I really like how I use my own hair in the front because it makes it look more natural, and so I'm just adding bobby pins to secure it throughout, and then I will be using my Shine and Jam to help with those flyaways that I do have, and to also secure my edges because right now they're looking a little dry. So I did try to finesse my edges with a regular brush, and that didn't work. I had my edge brush upstairs and your girl didn't want to go back up there. So after I put my pride aside and, made a few mistakes, I decided to, go ahead and go upstairs and get that edge brush, come back downstairs and handle business. Once you get your edges shaped how you like, go ahead and add a scarf and, just let it set for a little bit so that your edges can lay real good. I decided to add a little bit of pizzazz to this hairstyle by using some gold hair cuffs. Feel free to place them wherever you'd like. I just thought this was a cute little addition to this hairstyle. Add a little bling, So this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell as well so that you don't miss any uploads from me. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Peace. I got these earrings from Shein. If you guys watched my Vlogmas videos, these are one of the earrings that I purchased. I really love these earrings. They're so bomb. And I'm taking photos for Snapchat so I can keep you guys updated. I don't really use Snapchat as much as I do anymore, but I know you guys are still on there, so I will make sure I use it a little bit more. But let me know if you like this style, if you want to see more hair. So I'll probably be rocking this to church tomorrow, Do it for Jesus. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe by clicking that subscribe button and also hitting on the notification bell. Please like this video, leave a comment. Tell me what styles you'd like to see, if you want to do more updos, if you like more twist outs, perm rods, that type of thing. And I will definitely provide those videos for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.